Hi. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of uploading a contract or document in LEXZUR. To get started, go to the Contra module from the navigation menu. Then, click the Create button in the main menu and select Upload Contract/Document. Uploading your contract. First, specify the document type. Choose from a customizable drop-down list that defines the contract's area of practice, such as commercial agreement, non-disclosure agreement, and more. Select the subtype, if applicable. Choose a predefined form. The system allows you to use a predefined form to structure the required contract details. If you haven't created a custom form, the system will apply the default one. Then click to upload your document. Once uploaded, you can instantly configure approval and signature permissions. Then, click Next to proceed. On the next page, enter key contract details, such as contract name, dates, parties involved, and contract value. The number of variables and pages will vary depending on the agreement type and associated form. Click Save to complete the process. You will be redirected to the contract's dedicated page, where you can manage all related details and take further actions, such as updating workflows, editing or renewing, setting reminders, approving, signing, and much more.